How to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today I would like to learn you how to loop through children of a div and how to style them with JavaScript. We have in this HTML, we have a main container, and inside this container we have also 6 divs. My goal is to learn you how to iterate through these 6 divs that are located inside this main with ID container, main divs. Okay, we have more steps to do for touch our goals. The first should to make a reference to this container, to the main container. After should to use a new method dot children. This method takes all divs from a main div or element, and after this using a for iterating through all these paragraph, because we have more, we have 6. Okay, let's start it. We create a div container variable for selecting main div. Now this is main div with ID container. I use document query selector ID container for making a reference to this div. This is the main div. Okay, after this I will use .children method on div container, because I would like to take all these divs that are inside of container, and if I use the method children on my div container, I say to browser, please take all children of these divs, and I have 6. Okay, let's see how it works. Now I select all children of main div with ID container. I use this method children div container is a reference to the main container, no, to this is main container, and I would like to take all children of container. I use div container dot children, but I put this in a variable. Now I would like to iterate through these all childrens, because I have 6 elements and I want to iterate, and I would like to change their style. Let's see how it works. Okay, index equals 0, index is less than all children dot length. All children dot length is 6, because I have 6 divs in my main container div, and inside I will change the CSS, the style, using JavaScript. Firstly, I put a border, for example, on each div that are inside the main div. All children takes all divs from my container with children method, and after on this variable I put a border. But I use all childrens of E, because this is index. Now at first iteration is 0, second iteration 1, 2, and so on. First iteration will pass and we'll put a border on paragraph 1, second iteration to paragraph 2, third iteration paragraph 3, and so on. Let's see what happens. I have border for all element from my divs. Okay, now I will put background green color for all these. I put a border radius and also I align the text to center. Still background color green will be green. Put a border radius to round the margins, and I will align the text to the center. Let's see the output, the result. You have here with a new style this button. Okay, what should you know from this tutorial? That this method children take all these elements and you can use after a for, but you, for example, if you want to use methods of array, you can transform this element into an array, and for this you have here all children who takes all element no from array from div, sorry, but you can use method for convert the children into an array. You should use a method named array from. To convert, because I would like to use map on this element. Now if I if I run my effect are 0 because I comment here this part, but now I want to transform these elements into an array, and I will use array from my variable is all children's. No, this is all children is variable who take all paragraph, and I say here array from, I want an array from, transform this all children into an array from. This is the method. Now I have an array, and I will iterate through map, because if you want to use map, didn't work here in the up side, but here will work, because now my all children is an array. I can use here all methods that are specifically for array. Here, for example, I use a map to iterate through all element of array, and just want to transform this color in pink, and effect is this. Okay, let me to make a little summary for today. If you want to take all divs, all children of a div, use method dot children. This is method, no, dot children. My div container is the main container. Inside this div I have 6 elements, 6 another divs. I want to take all these divs. What should I do? I create a new variable and I take them with my div container dot children, and after I iterate and I change the styles. Also, if you want to transform this paragraph, because you have here HTML document, HTML elements, these HTML elements you can convert, you can transform them in array. You have array from this variable all children. Also you can put also this div container that children is the same things, but put the name of variable, not the assign the element who assigned it. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you understand. All the best.